13 reasons bakit ako nag-franchise ng online ticketing business. At bakit maganda ang online. Portable dahil cellphone lang pwede ka na kumita everyday. No experience needed. 24/7 open. Less operating expense. No rental fee, no manpower. Trending business. Global privilege. Market acceptance. Minimal capital with unlimited income. One-time investment, lifetime yung business. Helping business dahil may community. Time freedom and financial freedom. I'm the boss of my own business. Franchising ng Cebuana, Western, and other remittance. May millions bonus income pa dito, included na. Diba sobrang ganda? So what if you can start your own home-based franchise ticketing business with remittance, part-time or full-time